Good morning, Namsias and friends. My name is Royce from 9P number 28.
My name is Skyen from 9P number 30.
And my name is from 9P Absent 40.
And today we are going to be presenting about an educational video about a unique animal. And enjoy!
Wow, it's been a while since I bought this aquarium. So strange, it is still in a good condition. Let me think, what animal will suit the best for this aquarium? Oh, I think I knew someone that is an expert in this type of animal. Let me call him.
Why is Skyen calling me? Hello? Is this Skyen? Oh yeah, it's me. Aha. So, you want to fill up your old aquarium with an animal that's unique. Okay. Yeah, I think I have the perfect animal for you. Yeah, I think I have the perfect animal for you, and I think I will send it to you a few days from now. Is that okay? Okay. Thank you, Sai.
I'm thinking about what animal will Royce bring for me.
What are you doing here, Sky?
I'm wondering what animal will fit into my aquarium.
How about talking with Royce? Have you?
Yes, I have. Wait. Oh, I think Royce will come here soon.
Oh, okay. Let's wait for him.
Morning, guys.
Morning.
Morning, Sai. Morning. So yeah, I think I have found a perfect animal for your aquarium, Sky. And yeah, do you guys know anything about axolotls?
Yes, I have heard it before.
Okay, so yeah, I will send you a video link about how to maintain axolotls and their brief history and also their unique abilities. So yeah, let's just watch.
It's different than any other salamander we know. Amystoma mexicanum, or also known as axolotl, is one of a salamander family. It's known to live in Mexico's lake, discovered in the 13th century with a long tail, a flat head, and four lizard-like limbs. It comes with a various types of color and skin patterns. While they are often dark-colored, they can shift their hue a few shades lighter as darker as needed for camouflage. Despite their undeveloped teeth, axolotls are very effective predators. They feed on worms, mollusks, crustaceans, insect larvae, and small fish. Axolotl has a lot of different kind of story among every neighborhood in Mexico. It's a myth that axolotl believed to be a god in Mexican.
So the first thing that I want to tell you guys is about the historical of axolotl. The axolotl have a lot of history and also rich history, especially in the context of Aztec culture or Aztec mythology. In Aztec mythology, the axolotl has compared with their god. Their god name is Salotl, the brother of Quetzalcoatl. The Salotl has symbol of movement and life, and also its stories to transform from human to various species or various animal or various forms. It means that to attempt to avoid of sacrifice in their culture. The first documented of Aztec codex is Florian's Codex. Scientifically, the first reference about this animal has appeared in 1615. That means the axolotl is an ancient animal. And over time, the scientist has grown with our technologies also. They found a lot of things such as colors, and also what abilities these animals have. The long short story, the first man who found this animal is Alexander von Humboldt. Alexander von Humboldt has brought two specimens of this animal from Mexico to Paris. Later, which was later the analysis continued by George Cuvier.
In some places, including Mexico, axolotls are considered a traditional food. Some factors that may influence the selection of axolotls as food include their abundant presence in Mexican lakes and their ability to regenerate, which can be seen as a sustainable source of proteins. Additionally, in Mexican history, traditional foods often included a variety of local species, including aquatic animals such as fish and amphibians such as the axolotl.
But it's important to note that this animal have caused conservation concern as population of this animal has decreased than before. This animal declined due to habitat, pollution, and also illegal trade. So to maintain the sustainability of this animal, the conservation effort and also protection of this animal and this habitat of this animal is more increasingly important.
Axolotls are an unusual water salamander which has a one-of-a-kind regeneration powers, and that leads them to stand out above any other animals. Interestingly, they will restore and regenerate lost limbs completely by forming a specialized clump of cells known as the plasma. Axolotl also have the capability to restore and generate several spinal cords, and that manner is very unusual in vertebrates. Axolotl has the capability to regenerate essential organs such as the heart, liver, brain, and any other internal organs. A quick and effective wound healing mechanisms also supports those competencies and adds to their general resilience and their ability to live in their natural environment. Axolotls usually regenerate without leaving any scars. That's a characteristic that sets them aside and also demonstrates the remarkable wound healing mechanisms and their regenerating abilities. Apart from its regeneration abilities and also cancer resistant genes, axolotls are a very unique creatures because they are a neutenic creature. Neuteny means that they achieve sexual maturity without losing any of their larval features. Unlike other salamanders, axolotls have to maintain their webbed feet, fiery gills, dorsal fin, and long tails because they can never outgrow their juvenile stage. While neuteny creatures is being observed in various species, it is not the most common thing for a development of certain organisms, making neuteny creatures in the wild is very, very rare. The axolotl has a massive genome with a size of approximately 32 billion base pairs, which is 10 times larger than the human genome. This large genome provides a significant challenge for genetic analysis. However, a recent study on the complete axolotl genome provides a significant information for researchers to study the molecular basis of regeneration and other biological processes.
Axolotls are 1,000 times more resistant to cancer than mammals. This is due to the unique ability of axolotls that can repair or replace most of their body parts. The resistance of cancer is maybe due to the accumulation of P53 genes, which is resistant to degradation. For centuries, axolotls were central to understanding how organs develop and function in vertebrates. As a cute species, axolotl has helped scientists For instance, to understand what is the cause of spina bifida in human, a birth defect in which the spine doesn't form properly. Axolotl considered to be an endangered animal because of human activities, not only because the axolotl habitat shrunk, but they also share it with predators. Pollution is also the threat that axolotl have to deal with. Now it's time for us to help them by protecting their environment and live side by side in a harmony.
So this is the end of our informational video. Thank you.